I noticed I spent a lot of my life in airplane mode or just distracted or anything really other than being present. I I just didn't intentionally take those moments when they do feel good and you remember those moments a little bit more than when you were in airplane mode. I find that a lot of my life I was just rushing, waiting to get to the next thing or the next step or, the next chapter, when really I was just avoiding being in the present moment. I think maybe there's a level of uncomfortability that I haven't faced yet, but it's hard sometimes being in the present moment or being more intentional about it, but it's sometimes it's a lot easier than I think. I think it's just a few deep breaths away, but it's being intentional as well that I choose to avoid. I'm not too sure why I avoid it, or why a lot of people do. Maybe a lot of people are uncomfortable with who they are. I don't think I'm uncomfortable with who I am. I think I like to see change in my life. And I like to constantly work towards that. When really we need to take a step back and see how far we've come, because I'm a whole different person than last year. Hell, even a few months ago. And that's really cool. And we've all changed a lot in the past few years, and I think a lot of us don't acknowledge that. We really just need to be kinder to ourselves and be more intentional, because there's beauty in the present and there's beauty in being intentional. I think it's better to stop avoiding who we are, to stop avoiding the present, as hard as it can be sometimes. Because it's better to be here and be present. We'll remember a lot more if if we are in the moment rather than when we aren't.